That's crazy. I don't know if I can jump from that far.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you can.
It's okay, yeah, go.
Jesus Christ! Look how much you jump, don't you?
Yeah, you do, yeah.
I'm a chicken shit.
Yeah, I told you that's why I down there.
It is a good jump, though. Over there'd be a pretty class spot.
Go, man. Put you on about swan diving in, huh?
Going, Danny?
Oh, you just good, man.
Hey, you lazy is getting up there,
He just can't bring himself to do it.
I understand. I know exactly what happened if I stood up there. That.
Yeah.
Go over there and try and get a photo. That'd be pretty fun. Is it cold?
You can do it.
I really gotta piss, so I might just do it because I gotta piss.
Big leg.
That's how it's stalling, look. Like, right, here we go. Not that I could fucking do it, but anyway. Hey!
That thing's wrong.
Freddie up for triple somersault. Triple somersault.
Swan dive.
Fuck that.
Here, Fred, do a bomb dive. Do a bomb dive. Too high. Oh, yeah, okay. It'll make a nice blast though.
Come on. He's fighting me. You're good.
I thought you were getting dragged into the counter.
Yeah. This is like a baby.
1 point! 2 point!
Okay, I'm gonna go from there.
Fair fuck throw if he does it, man. Everyone wants to get close to the project.
Oh my god.
Alright.
I'm the only guy that hasn't done it because you two are alone. I'm gonna go from here.
Give me a message before you jump.
I love my family. It's been a good solid 21 years.
You gotta go
I can't swim.
You gotta go now. You're looking like a pussy though, jumping from here like.
I don't care.
How many rounds do you want? Jump out there, look. Jump out there, look.
Over there.
I just can't.
It's plenty deep.
I can't. I'm just stuck.
You want me to push you off?
No.
Count to 3 and you might go on 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wait, don't.
We won't push it.
I'm shitting
No,
myself.
I'm not going to push it. I'm saying, we're trying to give you encouragement. Okay, on go, right? 3, 2, 1, go! Hey!
Guys, that was class down there.
Here, hold on. Lee!